Hey, what is going on everyone? Welcome back to Everyday Technology. Nate here, back at you with another video. And today I'm actually going to be building my new bedroom desk setup. Before we start, I would like to talk a little bit about today's video supporter. I'm not getting paid to say any of this. This is just my own opinion. iSlide is a PowerPoint add-on that simplifies the many features of PowerPoint, allowing you to create slideshows quicker and more efficiently. With the add-on, you can choose from dozens of template themes as well as diagrams and icons. If the layout of many Microsoft's Office programs are too confusing for you, but you still want the ability to create complex and in-depth presentations, then the iSlide might be for you. Click the first link in the description below to either download a free version of the add-on or buy a 1-year membership to experience all that iSlide has to offer. If you choose to buy the full version of iSlide, use code K3UZUH at checkout to receive an additional 3 months added to your 1-year subscription. The first step in building my new setup is to bring the desk into my bedroom that I will be using. I actually got this desk from Goodwill for around $20, and personally I think it was a good buy. The desktop has a glossy wood finish, and other than the fact that I had to reinforce it a bit, the build quality has been quite good. Now that the desk is in place and ready to go, it's time to install an RGB light strip. I probably should buy a new one soon as the adhesive has worn off, but there's nothing that some good old duct tape can't fix, right? I installed the RGB strip first because it's much harder to do so after the cables have been routed. I'm going to install my monitor stand next before the desk gets cluttered so I have plenty of space to work with. This is a pretty difficult process since I also have to attach an adapter to my HP 25ES monitor. With the monitor stand installed, we can start adding some accessories. To start, I am going to be setting up my Creative T12 desktop speakers. I have been using these guys ever since Creative sent them to me for review, and I couldn't be more pleased. Next up is my Peripherals and Mouse Pad from Slickwraps. Currently, I'm still using the same Logitech M720 mouse and Drivo caliber keyboard from my last setup video, but as time goes on and I mix and match things on my desk, definitely expect there to be some different peripherals in the future. My mic stand is what I'm going to be clamping to my desk next. The setup process is pretty easy. All you have to do is screw it in and you're ready to go. On the mic stand I have my Behringer B2 Pro with a windscreen, and in order to actually power this beast of a microphone, I need my Behringer Euphoria UM2 audio interface. Finally, I have to add the computer powering this workstation, which is my HP Pavilion laptop. I already had it in a laptop stand from my previous setup, so all I really have to do is set it where I want it and plug in the cables. And that is the finished setup, everyone. I know it's pretty similar to my previous desk setup, but I do plan to add and remove a few things in the future to get it just the way I like. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section down below. Like this video if you liked it, and also subscribe to the channel. And as always guys, I am Nate from Everyday Technology, and I will see you in the next one.